Ready? God. Hold up. Point up. God did make the world. Tell me that truth. Tell me. Who made the world?
God.
He did make the world. You're right. But this one we're talking about is how he loved us. How he loved us and he sent his son. Okay? So we're going to say God loved us.
God loved us.
And sent his son. Make the baby sign. I can't do it with one hand. Can you do the baby? Put your hands together and hold the baby. There you go. Like this. Hold on a second. Baby. Okay? There you go. Good job. And sent his son. Do you know who his son was? He sent Jesus as a baby. Yeah. And then the verse is in 1 John 4:10. I can't hear you. 4:10. That's right. Good job. High five. Yeah.